So what we're looking at right now is the SpinOne dashboard for Office 365. It provides a summary of our backup services, which are key as well. In case any files were infected while Spin was stopping the attack, the solution would restore a previously protected saved version of all these files immediately. That being said, let's shift over to the ransomware protection section since this is the focus right now. And our team is constantly performing simulations of attacks to measure speed and accuracy. And here we can see 4 cases, one where the attack started from Outlook and 3 from OneDrive. You can see a brief overview of each attack here, along with where the attack started, when it did, and how many files were infected, along with whether they were recovered or not. Now let's check out the settings and see what we can do here. And having all these settings turned on allows SpinOne to revoke access to the sync application that is causing encryptions of the files immediately after detecting that an anomaly has occurred in the organization. If any files were infected in the meantime, the solution can also automatically recover those files from the backups, while of course keeping you notified of the situation at every step. Let's go back here. And now I want to jump into an attack and check it out in more depth. All right. This attack specifically started on November 8th, 2019 at 9:23 a.m. And the whole process of detecting that an attack is occurring, stopping the sync application and recovering any files that were infected took only 4 minutes, as you can see here. And 4 minutes is significantly better than days and weeks, which is the time that a lot of companies, hospitals, and governments spent when they had to recover every single file in their organization. That can disrupt business flows and can cost companies fortunes. Whereas with this automated solution, it's all over within a couple of minutes. On this specific attack, 100 files were infected, and as you can see, all 100 files were successfully automatically recovered. If automated recovery is turned off, let's check this out, for example. You can simply select the files that you need to restore and recover them immediately on demand. That being said, to sum things up with the ransomware demonstration, we highly recommend having a ransomware protection tool for your cloud data along with a backup solution. The combination of an active state scanner, constantly checking for attacks, along with your data protected at the top cloud storage facilities, you get the ultimate cloud data protection.